Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're doing good because I am doing good. Today we're talking about an interesting topic, and it is Germany's opportunity card visa. Okay, not only are we going to talk about what the visa is and the requirements for the visa, we're also going to talk about the step-by-step guide to actually apply for the visa. Alright, so please stay tuned till the end because this video is extremely packed. Now I have my laptop here and we're going to just take it step by step, okay? First of all, let's talk about what the opportunity card visa is. Now this opportunity card visa is Germany's initiative to attract skilled workers to attack the labor shortage that Germany is currently undergoing, okay? And so it needs to make it easier for qualified candidates to actually come to Germany and get a job. That is basically what the opportunity card visa is about. Now, just like Canada's permanent residence program, this opportunity card visas uses a point-based system, okay, to assess the applicants, okay? It assesses you based on your qualification, based on your age, based on your skills, your language proficiency, your work experience, and so on and so forth. It even assesses you based on your ties to Germany, but we will talk about that because I know that some of us don't have any ties to Germany whatsoever. Now, this opportunity card visa allows you to stay in Germany for up to 6 months without a job. Okay, not that you will just stay without a job, but it gives you about 6 months to actually come in and search for a job. So one major advantage is that you do not need a job offer to actually come into Germany under this visa. Okay, so I have my laptop here. We're just going to talk about the benefits of this visa, why it is so attractive to people and why people are rushing for it, because you must have heard of it from one or two people that this opportunity card visa is the hottest thing in town and stuff. Okay, so we're just going to talk about the advantages, what makes it so desirable by people, and then we're going to talk about the requirements, okay, before we now go ahead to talk about the application process step by step. Okay, by the way, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. I love you so much. If you're new to this channel, my name is Zuri, and on this channel we basically talk about travel, visa and immigration tips, and once in a while I discuss foreign opportunities. So if this is something that you're interested in, please smash the subscribe button, and if at the end of this video you like what you hear, you can send this video to 1 or 2 people that you're sure would be interested in what I have to offer. Alright, please hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop any update. So let's talk about the benefits, okay? The first one here that I wrote down on my laptop here is that the immigration process is simple. The points-based system makes it so straightforward to assess and approve skilled workers, okay? So it makes for a simplified immigration process. All right, now the second one is the job search flexibility. Like I said before, you have up to 6 months to get a job. Isn't that amazing? Like you can actually stay in Germany for like 6 months. Okay, now the third one I wrote here is the trial work option. Now during your stay in Germany, you can work for up to 10 hours per week just to showcase your skills. Okay, it doesn't mean that you'll be there permanently. You can decide to work somewhere for up to like 10 hours a week just to showcase your skills. All right, now the fourth one I wrote here is that it is an interesting pathway to residency. Now once you secure your job, you can convert your visa to a permanent residence. And may I remind you that Germany is a Schengen country, and you know what that means, right? It definitely means that if you have access to Germany as a Schengen country, you have access to the other Schengen countries, okay? And so if you're the kind of person that likes to travel with your free time, then this opportunity card visa is just the right program for you. Okay, now let's move on to the major requirements you need to meet in order to apply for the opportunity card visa. Okay, the first one I wrote down here is your qualification. Now you need either higher education degrees or vocational degrees. Okay, you need a degree in something so that you can qualify for this visa. The next one I wrote down here is is your work experience. All right, you need not just work experience, but you need relevant work experience in a field that is facing shortages in Germany. Not just work experience, but that work experience has to be relevant in the shortage list. Now, if you do not know what professions are facing shortages in Germany, I created a video talking about the 10 most in-demand jobs in Germany. Okay, so make sure you go watch that video so that you know what jobs are currently in demand in Germany, and you see if it is a good fit for you in order to apply for this opportunity card visa. Okay, now the third one I wrote here is your language skills. Proficiency in German or English can boost you, but then I would totally advise for you, if you're an English speaker, to start learning German if you haven't started already, okay? Because that will really give you an edge and boost your points. Okay, now let's talk about the next one. I talked about age. Okay, younger applicants would definitely get more points. Okay, it's almost like Canada. The older you get, the lower your points would be, on a lighter note. All right, so please make sure that you take all these things to heart when you want to apply for the opportunity card visa. The last point I wrote here is ties to Germany. If you have a family in Germany, or you visited Germany before, or you have prior ties to Germany, it also helps. But don't fret about it, okay? It is not a major point, all right? Now let's talk about the step-by-step process to apply. If you like what you're hearing so far, please give me a thumbs up, smash on the like button. It's very, very free. It's free to smash on the like button. And when you smash on the like button, it helps me to be seen by more people who might be interested in this kind of content. So you would be doing me a favor. Thank you very much. All right, so let's talk about the step-by-step guide. Okay, how to apply step by step. The first one would be your preparation. Okay, and for me, I think preparation is like 70 to 80% of everything. I love preparation. Okay, if I have 5 days to do something, I could spend the first 3 days preparing, okay, because that is the foundation. Now, during this preparation, you need to gather all your work documents, okay, all your work documents, all your necessary documents, your work experience, your qualifications, your language skills. You need proof for all these things, okay? Your work experience, your CV has to be on point. Your CV has to be the German way also, okay? It has to be fashioned in the German way. If you have not watched my video on the 10 most in-demand jobs in Germany, under that video, I have a section where I taught you how to fashion your CV the German way, okay? So that video is very, very packed. You need to go watch that video, okay? So please go watch that video, okay? Also, if you have any ties to Germany and you can prove it, this is the time for you to put it together, okay? Now, the next one I wrote down here is that you have to use the available tools to calculate your points, okay, based on the criteria. A lot of people might be asking in the comment section, how do I calculate my points? If you want me to create a video to show you my screen on how to calculate your points based on the criteria, please write it in the comment section. You can write points calculator, okay? Just write it in the comment section. Write points calculator in the comment section, and if it is enough, I will make that video for you, teaching you how to calculate your points, okay? Now, the third one I wrote here is that you have to submit your application, okay? In your home country, you can go to submit your application in the German consulate in your home country. If you're in Nigeria, of course, it's either you go to Lagos or Abuja to submit your application, okay? And you now book an appointment for your biometrics and for your interview. Now, I don't know if you want me to create a video talking about how to answer interview questions at the German embassy. If you want me to do that, also type in the comment section interview, okay? If you want me to do that, type in the comment section interview, okay? Now, when you attend the interview, your application will be evaluated based on what you say to the visa officer and the papers, the documents that you have submitted. You will be evaluated. Your application will be evaluated and particularly based on the points system. Okay, it's going to be based on the point system. Now, number 5 is the visa issuance. If you are approved, you will receive the opportunity card visa. It is as simple as that. Okay, you will receive your visa, allowing you to travel and to start your job as soon as possible. And then on your way to Germany, you send me my bottle of wine for telling you about it. Okay, now remember that you have a 6-month timeline. Okay, it is not time for you to get to Germany and start celebrating. No, immediately you get to Germany, make sure you hit the ground running, as our president would say. Okay, hit the ground running and start searching for a job so that you can indeed be settled. You know, there's that that feeling of settlement that you get, that feeling of satisfaction you get when you have finally gotten a job offer, so that you don't have to leave when the 6 months timeline is up. All right, so there you have it, guys, your comprehensive guide to applying for the opportunity card visa in Germany. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. If you have anything that you would like me to talk about, any topic that you would like for me to talk about, especially with Germany, please drop it in the comment section and I will definitely consider it, and I will be happy to respond to you. Even if you don't have any question for me and you feel like telling me something, just tell me hello in the comment section. I will still respond to you. Okay, thank you very much for being here. Please share the video with somebody that you like, and even those that you don't like, share the video with them. Okay, if they move to Germany, at least they're out of your way. All right, guys, see you in another video and good luck with your application to Germany. Ciao.